All right, rain's still a problem tonight, but I'm also still concerned about a little bit of a wintry mix, some sleet or freezing rain, especially over into Mercer County where temperatures are near or are just around that freezing mark here this evening. Also, the wind is going to be a problem tonight. Let's go ahead and take this one step at a time. Let's go ahead and start with the wind that's blowing across the area, gusting up to 20 to 25 to 30 miles per hour, even a wind gust up to 40 just to our west this evening. So it's going to be a gusty night for us as the wind continues to rise and move on out into early tomorrow morning and then eventually taper off. But a gusty night expected. Temperatures sitting close to freezing in many locations, especially north of Interstate 80 tonight. And that's where I'm expecting the best chance for a little bit of a pocket of freezing rain or sleet here this evening. The good news is temperatures are warming up to the south and they continue to warm up through southern Ohio. So that strong southern wind will help pump this warm air in as the rest of the night goes on. So the risk for that wintry mix is going to wrap up here this evening, and then just a threat of rain overnight. Here's Doppler radar. I want to go ahead and point out where I was talking about. Mainly north of Interstate 80. That's where that best chance for some freezing rain. Greenville, Jamestown, north of Mercer tonight. If you're traveling over the next few hours, watch for those pockets of freezing rain and sleet. Could be some slippery travel even across northern Trumbull County. But taking a little break in the rainfall department just to the south before this next round of moisture moves in. Now I'm expecting most of this just to be plain old rain later tonight, even a rumble of thunder possible before this wraps up early tomorrow morning. This is a big storm system, caused all that severe weather that we talked about earlier in the newscast, now winding northward. Big snows on the western side of this system, and it's dragging in colder air. And this is the start of what will be a pattern shift here at home, and that means colder weather moving in. Winter's going to return here as we head into 2016. So this big storm just starting that trend for colder temperatures later this week and into your new year. Future tracker this evening, that wintry mix is possible for the next few hours. Sleet, pockets of freezing rain, just changing to plain old rain tonight. Temperatures climbing toward 50 degrees to get things going on your Tuesday morning. Still the risk of rain around early tomorrow, but that threat will taper off toward midday and into the afternoon. Just a lot of clouds around, but the temperatures start falling through the afternoon and evening. And then relatively quiet weather for a few days as we go into tomorrow night. Just some clouds around, temperatures dipping into the low 30s. And on Wednesday, a very tiny chance of an isolated shower as the storm system slips by just to our south. New Year's Eve, that's when that really cold air starts to pour on in here. 32 tonight, windy. This temperature of 32 will be early, continuing to climb toward 50 degrees by tomorrow morning. Watch out for that wintry mix early, then some rain. Could see a third to a half inch of rainfall overnight. 51 tomorrow, that's early. Temperature falls into the afternoon, but still gusty wind through the early morning hours. And your 7-day forecast, yes, that cooling trend just continues. 43 on Wednesday, a small chance of an isolated shower. New Year's Day, a big part of the day looking dry. New Year's Eve, a different story. The chance of snow showers moving in. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, barely reaching the freezing mark. Lows in the low 20s. A chance of snow showers around for your New Year's weekend. Now, the best chance of snow later this week into the weekend will be the northern snow belt, but a few of those snow showers will try to sink southward. Definitely a change in our weather as we go into January.
So you better bundle up or have someone to cuddle up with on Thursday night, huh?
That's right. Anything to generate some heat, it's a good idea. As New Year's Eve, it's not going to be a warm one this year.
All right. Thanks, Paul.